Good morning student, have a nice day. In this video we will learn how to create a form in Access.
Forms in Access. As we know that a form is a database object used to add, edit, and display data from a table in a user-friendly manner. While creating a form, you can choose the fields to be displayed and how they're displayed. By creating forms, you can make your database more user-friendly for those who edit and enter the records. The three main views in which a form can be displayed are: Form view is used to enter, edit, and view data. Design view is used to adjust the design of your form. It gives you a more detailed view of the structure of a form, such as header, detail, and footer sections. Layout view is used to change the appearance and size of various controls of a form. When you create a form, by default, it appears in the layout window. Creating a form. To create a form, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the desired table from the navigation pane for which you want to create a form. Step 2. Click on the Form command in the Forms group under the Create tab. The Form Design window appears with the first record of the table in the Layout view. By default, the form contains all the field labels from the table and corresponding text boxes. Step 3. Using various commands in the Header and Footer group on the Design tab, you can improve the appearance of your form. A. Logo command is used to place the image of the company or organization. B. Title command is used to edit the title of the form. C. Date and time command is used to display the date and time in the desired format on the form. Step 4. Click on the drop-down arrow of Themes command under Design tab. A list of theme appears. Step 5. Select a theme from the list. Step 6. Save the form by clicking on the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar. Step 7. The Save As dialog box will appear. Type the name of the form and click on Save button. Step 8. Click on the Form View button at the bottom right of the Form Design window to see the form. Types of forms. You can select a type of form needed by clicking on More Forms command of Forms group under the Create tab. The different types of basic forms in Access are: multiple items. In this form, you will see multiple records at the same time. Data sheet. This form just looks like a regular data sheet, but it is actually a form. It is useful when you want to show a data sheet on a subform. Split form. This form shows two parts. The upper part shows the data sheet and the lower part shows form for entering information about the record selected in the data sheet. Model dialog. It is useful in creating navigational menu systems. It looks like a dialog box. Viewing the records. You can observe navigation bar at the bottom of the form window. The navigation bar helps in scrolling between the records. It also displays the location of the selected records in the table as well as total number of records in the table. The first record and last record buttons help to quickly move to the first and the last records of the table respectively. You can also search for a particular record in the table by entering the keywords in the search text box. Formatting a form. You can change the appearance of the form by using various options available on the Design and Format tabs. Using Design tab. You can add logo and title to your form by making use of logo and title commands present under the Header Footer group in the Design tab. Using Format tab. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment of labels, add a background image to the form, change the color of the shapes, etc. using various commands present on the Format tab.